Gold walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, gold walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming.
Guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be doing unboxing of Mi 9T Pro, a worthy successor to the Mi 9T, which I have unboxed earlier. You can click over here to see that video. Now this phone is also known as Redmi K20 Pro in some part of the world, but basically is the same phone with same specifications. But there is definitely few changes Xiaomi has done if you compare with Mi 9T, which is an awesome device actually. So in this video, let's talk about what are the changes, what are the new things in Mi 9T Pro compared to the Mi 9T. But if you're looking at the box itself, the packaging looks exactly same with a selfie pop-out camera. On the side you have the Mi 9T Pro logo, but definitely this is much more performance-oriented device with Snapdragon 855 and 6GB of RAM. So let's unbox this device and see what's inside the box. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now this is the beautiful flame red color. Let's keep the device on the side and see what's inside the box. A standard USB Type-C cable, which is I think mandatory for 2019 flagship devices. The device does support 27 watt fast charging, but unfortunately inside the box you get 18 watt fast charger, which is also not bad, but I was expecting Xiaomi to include the 27 watt fast charging. Anyways, you have the SIM ejector tool. Now good thing is that Xiaomi is including this nice textured case, which not only gives the device a nice protection, but it feels more grippy in your hand. You can see there's a cutout for volume, power, and a small Mi logo at the bottom. But definitely, coming out of the box, it does feel nice, and I think it's a good addition by Xiaomi. And it also comes with Xiaomi Mi 9T, which is a good thing. Now let's see the device itself. So this is the beautiful flame red color. You can also see the specification of the device in this plastic cutout. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 48 megapixel AI real triple camera setup, 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. So the specifications are quite similar to Mi 9T except for the processor, and I'm sure there is some changes in the camera. It also has a good 4000 mAh battery. Also it has a 6.39 inch, almost 6.4 inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display, and same like Mi 9T, it has the fast in-screen fingerprint sensor. So let's unwrap the device. Now I have to praise Xiaomi for bringing one after one quality devices. The flame red color looks stunning. It has a two-tone effect of black and red, and as the name suggests, it does have this flame effect. Also you can see the triple camera setup with 48 megapixel AI rear camera. Now let's turn on the device for the first time. There's a small vibration. So let's register the fingerprint and see how fast it is. I think registering the fingerprint is taking a lot of time. So setup is complete now. This is the device. Again, kudos to Xiaomi for making very small bezels on the side. It's an almost full screen device with a very small bezels on the side and at the bottom. Let's turn on the brightness to the full. I hope the camera is able to do the justice, but the colors on the device looks quite punchy. The viewing angles look good, and the device does feel premium in the hand, especially with this amazing color. I think the screen quality is really nice. It's not like the Samsung flagship device display like Note 10 or Note 9 or S10 Plus, but it does hold its own. For Full HD Plus display with a AMOLED screen, it does produce some amazing colors and very punchy colors. And also it has a good viewing angle, so you will not be disappointed. The screen quality is quite nice. Now let's see what software is running out of the box. Now this is a global variant. If you're buying Xiaomi device, always go for the global version. You get more updates. It has all the language support, and it doesn't come with a lot of Chinese applications which we don't need. So you can see this has the security patch of July, which is the latest, running MIUI Global 10.3.1 based on Android 9, and I'm sure this device will get the Android 10 support. So out of 128 GB, you get 115 GB of storage. Now let's see the sound quality of the device.
also think I started.
For a mono speaker, it doesn't have a dual stereo speaker. For a mono speaker, it's doing an amazing job. So the screen quality is good and you will not be disappointed with the sound quality either. Now let's check the speed of the fingerprint scanner. It's quite fast. It's not like OnePlus 7 Pro, but it's quite fast. Now let's talk about the design of the smartphone. There is nothing on the left side. You have the mono speaker, the main microphone, USB Type-C cable, and the SIM card tray setup at the bottom. Now let's see whether it has dual SIM or hybrid. So you can use dual SIM. So on the top, luckily it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. This looks like an IR blaster. You have the secondary microphone. On the right, it has the power button and the volume up and down button. At the back, you have the rear triple camera setup, but the main highlight of the device is the front camera. You see this amazing animation. But I still feel, the pop-up time is quite slow. It should have been, more faster. So when you're using the device for face unlock, this will take a lot of time, unlike the fingerprint scanner. And you need to take care of the device when using the front camera, because suppose the device fell down like this, you will lose your front camera. So talking about the camera, it does have 48 megapixel main camera and also a 20 megapixel selfie camera. But when you're shooting the photos in normal mode, in auto mode, you don't get the 48 megapixel option. There is a dedicated setting of 48 megapixel camera. You need to choose that while taking a picture. There is portrait mode, there is night mode, there is a pro mode also. So the 48 megapixel camera has two modes. One is in the pro mode, it will work, or you can choose the 48 megapixel shootout mode. For the videos, it does support 4K with 60 frames per second. This device is using a more advanced version of Sony sensor than the Mi 9T, but the difference is quite negligible. I will show you the pictures now, but it does look very similar to what Mi 9T will produce.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Oh.
This is the 4K 60 frames per second. There's no stabilization. You can see the video is a bit shaky.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see.
Also, the device has add face data option, and it adds quite fast. Let's see how it performs. It's a bit slow because the camera takes some time to pop up, so that's why it cannot compete with the fingerprint sensor, which I think is much more reliable and much more faster. So in conclusion, I will say that this is slightly better than Mi 9T. The differences between this and Mi 9T is This has a faster processor, Snapdragon 855. It also has a 8 graphic cooling processor. It has an amazing heat management. If you're a gamer, I would say go for this device than Mi 9T because it has a very good cooling system. If you're playing a lot of games non-stop, the device might get slightly hot, but because of this 8 graphic cooling system, you can play games for a long time. So it will not become extremely heated or overheated. Also, in terms of the differences between this and Mi 9T, it has a slightly better camera setup, you can say. It can record 4K 60 frames per second. But apart from that, the differences are very negligible. Even the pictures which I've taken from both the devices are quite similar. In terms of performance, yes, there is a difference because this is much better processor. It's a more advanced processor. In terms of the design, display, everything looks similar and same. Now the most important thing, the price. Now this device is available in Dubai for 1340 AD, which is equivalent to 27,000 Indian rupees, which is an amazing price for a flagship device. Now where to buy this device, you can see the numbers on the screen. Now this is the shop which I always recommend because they have the best Xiaomi products. And also if you're living in Dubai or you can send someone in Dubai, this is the best shop where you can find maximum Xiaomi products on a very good price. Now that's all guys for this video. I hope you liked the video. I'll be making more videos on this for tips and tricks. Kindly stay tuned if you like this device. Also, I'm doing the Note 10 coverage in my videos. You can click over here to see that playlist. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.